The dock is the menu at the bottom of your home screen where you can put apps that you use a lot and want to have easy access to. So on my dock, I've got my phone, email, flashlight, and my password collection. If you want to add an app to the dock, you'll need to remove one of the 4 apps that are already in the dock. So I can tap and hold my Yahoo app, for example, and select Edit Home Screen from the menu and drag Yahoo email out of the dock. And if I wanted to replace it with Bank of America, I can tap, hold, and drag Bank of America into the dock. As I mentioned, you can have 4 individual apps in your dock. One way around that is if you take out an app, you can replace it with a folder. Tap, hold, and drag, for example, productivity down to the dock. So now I can have more than 4 apps in the dock if some of those apps are in a folder.